If this angle is theta, now we have to draw the axis. We have to draw the axis. Let's say this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Since this angle is theta, so this will also be theta. And if this angle is theta, then component of n is n cos theta and n sin theta in this direction. Is it clear? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now, n sin theta is equal to mv square upon r, and n cos theta is equal to mz. Now just divide it. Tan theta, n will cancel out. First equation is divided by the second. We will get mv square upon r upon mz. M will cancel out. You will get tan theta is equal to v square upon rg. This is a relation which is a very useful relation. Means relation between angle, speed and radius in case of banking of the road. Please copy it. तो मैक्सिमम स्पीड क्या हो सकता है? V max अगर हम निकालना चाहें, इससे ज्यादा स्पीड होगा तो गाड़ी स्कीड कर जाएगा, मीन्स एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा. Rg tan theta under root. This is the maximum velocity with which a car can move on a turn having radius r and banking theta. इससे ज्यादा अगर स्पीड हुआ तो there will be an accident. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, bending of cycle on turn. Bending of cycle. Bending of cycle. Suppose this is अजय मल्हान. What is this? Everyone, आप क्लास में संबोधित करना चाहते हैं क्लास को?
नहीं सर, मैं तो
आप तो संबोधित कर रहे हैं. बोलिए, कुछ कहा है तो बोलिए.
कुछ नहीं कहा सर.
गुड.
अच्छा, कोई कुछ बोल नहीं रहा इसलिए बता रहा था. आप सभी चुप बैठे हैं.
सारे बच्चे को क्लास में टॉप करना है क्या? Now see, bending of cycle. Suppose there is a turn and a cyclist is here. Suppose this is the tire of the cycle. Just imagine. And it is the handle of the cycle. It is bended with the vertical by an angle theta. What is happening here? Just we have to imagine. A centrifugal force acts on the body in this direction. mv square upon r. A downward force mg will act on this, that is mg. And a normal reaction force will act in this direction. This is n. Again, there are three forces. The similar situation is here. Just we have to resolve the component. It is n sine theta and it is n cos theta. Again, we have to formulate the equation. N sine theta is equal to mv square upon r, and n cos theta is equal to mg. Again, divide the first equation by second. You will get, n will cancel out, you will get tan theta is equal to, m will cancel out, v square upon rg. See, what does this say? It says that as velocity increases, the theta will increase. And you have observed, आपने कभी न कभी साइकिल टर्न पे काफी तेज चलाया होगा, बच्चे चलाते ही हैं थोड़ा मस्ती करने के लिए, तो आप देखोगे कि जितनी ज्यादा तेज आप साइकिल चलाओगे उतनी ज्यादा आपको आपका साइकिल बेंड होगा. Okay, so this is the same formula. Okay, this formula is basically very useful for this chapter, for centrifugal force. हम सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स पे फिर से आएंगे जब हम फ्रिक्शन पढ़ लेंगे, बिकॉज अभी हमने सिर्फ एक ही फोर्स पढ़ा है, सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स. हमने फ्रिक्शन फोर्स को इंक्लूड कहीं नहीं किया है, एंड वी आर ओनली ऑन द काइनेमेटिक्स. Simply we have done some problems from the dynamics. It's not, I have not started dynamics, but since you know all these things, so I have dealt these questions. Okay bete, that's all for today's class. So you can leave the class. 2 मिनट बचा है, आप एंजॉय कर सकते हैं.